Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Soguk Baklava. This delightful Turkish dessert is a lighter, milk-based version of traditional baklava. We will guide you through creating its signature crispy phyllo layers, soaking them in a unique, cool milk syrup, and finishing with delicious chocolate and ground pistachios. It is a refreshing treat, perfect for any occasion and surprisingly simple to prepare at home. Let's get started. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 packet of thin phyllo dough, approximately 500 grams. For brushing, melt about 180 grams of butter and mix it with 100 milliliters of vegetable oil. Your filling will consist of 200 grams of finely chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pistachios. For the distinctive milk syrup, combine 300 milliliters of milk, 300 grams of sugar, and 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Also, have cocoa powder and grated chocolate ready for the final touches. Now let's assemble our baklava. First, generously brush your baking dish with the melted butter and oil mixture. Carefully lay down 1 phyllo sheet at a time, brushing each with the butter mixture until you have used about half of your dough. Next, evenly spread your chopped nuts over these layers. Continue layering the remaining phyllo sheets, brushing each one until all dough is used. Finally, pour any leftover butter mixture over the top and cut the baklava into squares or diamonds before baking at 170 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour until golden brown. Once your baklava is beautifully golden, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This brief cooling period is crucial. Next, pour the completely chilled milk syrup evenly over the warm baklava, ensuring every piece is soaked. Allow it to absorb the syrup fully, ideally for several hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. Before serving, generously garnish your cold baklava with a dusting of cocoa powder, grated chocolate, and a sprinkle of ground pistachios for that perfect finish. Enjoy this refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.